I'm gonna try to make this video a little bit better than the last three video I've posted. I did one already with the snapper. I did one with the salmon, another with the lamb, and something else I can't remember. Anyways, I'm just gonna try to see if I could make this video a little bit better than the others that I've posted before. So this is gonna be the coconut curry, salmon. Stay tuned.
Order right now, hold on. Hi, blessed love my lad in the name of the Most High King Selassie. Welcome to I Ital Explosion. How are the I look for Kansu? I'm impressed.
I was standing here trying to figure out like a real cinematic way to start the video, you know, like kind of fancy and all. But anyways, today I'm gonna be doing the coconut curry salmon, and I know y'all been waiting for this video. So I still have to run to the store real quick and buy like a baking pan, whatever it's called, because I tend to always burn the container that I use whenever I'm making these stuff. So I'm just gonna go buy one of those full tin disposable, so that way I could just dump it after I'm done. It's easier. So right now I'm just gonna season it a little with the Port Royal fish seasoning, some Larry's, the Ocheria's seasoned salt, and let it sit and marinate for a while. Then I'm just gonna run to the store, buy the pan. When I come back, I'm gonna stick it in the oven, let it bake just a little bit, and then I'm gonna prepare the curry coconut sauce. Okay, so I just came back from the store. I decided to buy another bacon glass bowl, whatever, instead of getting the foil tin. I don't know how long this one is gonna last. Oh, also, quick disclaimer: the skit in the beginning of the video, I give credit to Major Hype for that skit. He's a popular Caribbean comedian, one of the best out there, in my opinion, since Oliver Samuel. If you're Jamaican, you know Oliver. That's just my opinion. But yeah, Major Hype, big up yourself. So, anyways, let's get it. I'm gonna put the 2 pieces of salmon in the bowl, and then I'm gonna stick it in the oven. I have it on 450 degrees, and I'm just gonna bake it for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I'm just gonna turn it, maybe after like the first 10 minutes, turn it so both sides are brown, and that's it. So yeah, let me stick this in the oven now. And then afterwards, I'm gonna make the seasoning for the sauce. Alright, it's time to cut the seasoning up. If you notice, I have scallion, garlic, onion. Some people call this escallion, and also when I bought it in the store just now, it said something onion, organic onion, whatever. Anyways, scallion and Scotch bonnet pepper. Jamaican, you put Scotch bonnet pepper in everything. So, just for the record, I know I said just came back from the store early in the video. Stick the salmon in the pan. I did wash it, for those of you who were wondering. You just wanna like saute it a bit. If you're wondering, the pepper I'm not gonna add to this. I'm just gonna add it in the thing when I'm sticking it back in the oven to bake, so it gets the flavor from it. I'm just gonna let this fry for just a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the coconut, coconut milk. Yeah, that's what it is, coconut milk. Just gonna add it to it, and then I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit too, because you don't wanna like overdo it, like I said, because I'm also gonna pour this that I'm making right now onto the salmon, which is currently in the oven baking. Now I'm just gonna add the coconut milk. Using the whole can. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this sit here for a bit while I check on the salmon. I'm gonna flip it. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it's supposed to look like. I broke it while I was trying to flip it. That's with the salmon, you have to baste it with, you should baste it with olive oil. That's what I forgot to do. Why? So now you just pour the gravy all over it. And then you're just gonna cover it. I'm sorry. You're gonna cover it with some foil paper. And then stick it back in the oven, cover it, and let it cook for maybe another 10-15 minutes. And yeah, that should be it. It's the coconut curry salmon. I added another half can of coconut milk to it because it was too thick and too much curry. You know, I want to get that coconut flavor, so I added another half can. I actually tasted it, and that's why I made that decision. Now I'm just gonna cover it, and then I'm gonna stick it in the oven, like I said before, 15 minutes. Okay, it's done. See, there you have it. Coconut curry salmon. I'm gonna eat this with some white rice. I think the best rice to eat it with is sticky rice, but I don't know how to make that one. I've never made it before. I just keep buying it at the Thai restaurant, but I'm gonna learn how to make sticky rice. But if you want to eat this, I think sticky rice is the best thing to eat it with. It smells so good. I wish y'all could smell this thing. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna cook next, but yeah, just keep looking out for the videos. I'm gonna be cooking. I also got a couple of modification videos coming up. I'm gonna be doing some mods on the car. I actually have a lot. It's just, you know, it's just time. But thanks for watching.